Hey guys, and welcome to this Etsy studio vlog. So this is me gonna do an order from the very start to the very finish. It is a long coffin press on nail order, and first of all I'm gonna go in with my base coat. So this is a base coat from Amazon. It is a good thick base coat. It is really good for press-ons. I keep this exclusively for the press-ons, and this is me just painting on my layer of base coat here on already prepped nails. So the nails have been etched and wiped down with acetone. So once I have this done, I'm going to pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds and I'll be back for the next step. So next up, I'm going to go in with this gorgeous red. It's from Semilac and it's called Girl on Fire. This is one of my favourite reds ever. It is so opaque and it's also very popular with clients at Christmas. This is one red that is so popular. Clients always go for this one. But as regards for this set, I am just painting on the first coat here and it goes on really well in one coat, but then two coats finish it off perfectly. And just a little tip, if you are a press on nail business or if you are starting a press on nail business, I would definitely include plain block colour sets like this. Obviously trending nail designs are going to be really popular as well, but your staple reds, blacks, pinks, block colour sets are going to sell. So I just think they're a really good idea and they can be overlooked when you're starting a press on nail business. Do not forget about them. So this set here is for a customer who has come back at least 6 times to order this plain red set. So that'll just tell you it's a really good idea to have these block colours in your business, especially if you're starting off. And yeah, thanks for clicking on this video, by the way, and welcome to all the new subscribers. And if you are watching this for the first time, please consider subscribing if you like tutorials and nail art tutorials. This is one of my favorite things. I love doing press-ons. I love doing nails, but press-ons still have a huge place in my heart. I really love working on them, especially just sitting down and kind of relaxing and putting on a podcast or a YouTube video or something like that and working on orders. It is so relaxing. So I'm just going to let you watch me paint on the rest of this red, and as I'm going to show you, you'll see me flicking around the press-on stand. When I'm doing that, I'm just kind of looking to make sure that the colour is going on evenly and that I'm not leaving any dents or gaps, because if you do and you put it into the lamp, it's just going to be left there. So I'm always kind of flicking this press-on stand around just to make sure that I have my application done evenly. Now, so I'm just pulling out my dust collector. I got this one from Amazon. It is called the Lux dust collector and I highly recommend it. It is very good and it comes with 2 filters. And then I'm going to grab my 100-180 grit file. This one I use specifically for press-ons, and I'm just going to file the free edge of the nails to give them that really crisp shape. So I'm just holding the file right adjacent to the nail and filing up and down, and I'm just going to show you the shape of the thumb compared to the rest of them so you can see the difference. That just looks really perfectly finished, and the rest of them are still a bit kind of uneven at the edges. So I do recommend, if you don't file your press-ons, go ahead and file them. Nothing is going to happen to the nail polish. It won't chip or anything like that. And your shape will be really, really greatly improved. So yeah, I'm just making sure as well my dust collector is on while I do this and it's sucking up all that dust, because you will create a good bit of dust from doing this. And if anything, to save your lungs, but also the mess will be insane. So I'm just going to pull out my cardstock here, and it is pink Instagram inspired cardstock and some double-sided foam tape. So I'm going to pop on the nails one by one, and what I'm using to pick up the nails is a dotting tool with a bit of blue tack or sticky putty on the top of it, and it just grips the nails perfectly, especially if you're not wearing gloves and you don't want to get prints all over your nails. So this is just me sticking them on, and I'm going to let you watch the rest of that part, and then I'm going to come back for the next part of the packing process. So once the nails are in the little cellophane bag, I just pull out my bubble mailer, and these are from AliExpress. And then I'm going to pop in everything that goes into this order. So this is the actual nail set, so that's going to pop in first. Then I'm going to pop in my prep kit, which has a nail file, nail glue and a cuticle pusher. And then I'm going to pop in a free gift for my customer, which is a ring. So I try and put in a free gift with every order, and I try and keep on top of it. It's usually a ring or stickers, something like that. Then I have my thank you cards, and that is pretty much the whole set packaged up. So thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, please subscribe if you haven't already, and feel free to comment down below if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in this video. Thank you.